Hey learner, this is nileshhanumantborate. So in this video we are going to see the operators in a PHP. So arithmetic operator, which we already saw in previous video. So next operator we are going to see in this video. So next one is that the relational or the comparison operator. So in previous video we have saw that the if statement. So in that if statement we have to use the less than greater than sign. Okay, so this relational and the comparison operator result is in a boolean, either true or the false. So see here, these are the some relational operator. So see, this is less than, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal, equal equal, not equal. Then these are the two new operator in the PHP. Triple equal, which is also called as an identical. This is not identical. So this is also not equal. This is a spaceship. Okay, so see here, 5 less than 2 false, 5 greater than 2 true, 5 less than equal to false, greater than equal to true, 5 is equal to 2 false, 5 is not equal to 2 true. Okay, so see here, triple equal. So if 5 is equal to 5, if 1 5 is in a single quote and 1 5 is in an integer, means that this is integer, this is an string. And check here, if 5 is equal to 5, here we use the double equal sign, so they return true. Okay, means double equal only check the values. If the values are matched, then they return true. But triple equal, see what is the use of a triple equal, means that the identical operator. So they true if A is equal to B and they are of the same data type. Means here if you use the triple equal, 5 is triple equal to single quote 5, then they return false, because 1 5 is in integer data type, other 5 is in a string data type. Same here, not equal. So this not equal and this not equal to both have the same use. Just PHP give the two option, use the any one. Then spaceship. So there are total 3 operator, less than, equal or the greater than. If the first value is less than second, then they return -1. If both are the same, then they return 0. If the first value is greater than second, then they return +1. Okay. So next one is that the logical operator. So these operators are used in between the two conditions. See here, and. There is one more operator in the PHP, and. Both operators have the same use. Same here, double or the OR keyword, then the XOR and then the NOT. So see here, 5 is less than 2 false, 5 is greater than 3 true. So double and is true when both the condition is the true. So here first condition is a false, that's why my result is the false. So or if either the one condition is become true, then or is the true. See here, 5 is less than 2 false, 5 greater than 3 true. So one condition is true, that's why or is the true. So XOR means that if the both condition is the true or the false, then the answer is that the false. If the one of the condition is the true, then they return true. See here, 5 less than 2 false, 5 greater than 3 true. So one condition is the true, that's why XOR is the true. Not, they reverse the condition. So see here, 5 less than 2 false, so not of false is that the true. Okay, next one is that the increment or the decrement operator. So plus means that the increment by 1 and the minus decrement by 1. So these plus and the minus are used in two ways, that is the prefix and the postfix. If this operator are used before the operand, then it is called as a prefix. And if they are used after the operand, then they are called as a postfix. So see here, this is a prefix $a plus $a. This is increment by 1, then use the new value of a which are incremented. Then $a plus use the value of a, then increment $a by 1. Same here, minus $a, decrement $a by 1, then use the new value of $a. Same here, $a minus, use the current value of $a, then decrement $a by 1. Okay, then ternary or the conditional operator. So this is the question mark and the colon. So these two symbols are used to make a single expression. So this expression is called as a conditional operator expression or the ternary operator expression. See here, this is the syntax. So variable is equal to, then pass here the one condition, then question mark expression 1 colon expression 2. So see here 1 2 3 total 3 expressions are used here. That's why this is called as a ternary operator. So if condition is true, then it is going to expression 1, otherwise they are going to expression 2. It is like a if-else statement. See here, this is your example. 5 is greater than 1, condition is true, it is going to this side. So this greater answer is assigned to this result variable. Same here, if 5 is greater than 1, true, so it is going to if greater. So advantage is that, so see here, compared to if, so if use the total 4 lines and this expression use the only 1 line. Okay, so this operator is available in almost all languages, that is the C, C++, Java, .NET. Okay, so let's test this all this operator. So going to program mode. So see here, on previous video we have to see this example. So here we remove this code and save these changes. See in background there is no output. So first we start the XAMPP server, Apache and the MySQL service. Okay, so first we test the relational operator. So see here, echo if the 5 is equal to 5, and here we use the one br tag. So this expression is in a bracket. So see here, if your result is in a true, then answer is that the 1. Okay, and if your result is the false, 6 is equal to 5, no, then answer is that the blank. Blank means that they return false. Okay, then same here, we check the 5 is equal to single quote 5. See here, save these changes, this is 1. Okay, here we use the triple equal, this identical operator. See here, return false, because first 5 use the value is in integer data type and the second 5 use the value is in a string data type. Both the value have the different data type, that's why they return false. So identical operator, they have the two conditions. First, value is the match, value must be same, and second, data type must be same. Okay, then next one is that the spaceship operator. So see here, 5, and here we use this spaceship operator and the 6. So see here, 5 is less than 6, so answer is that the -1. If both the value are the same, then they return 0, and if the 5 is greater than 2, then they return +1. So this is the spaceship operator. Okay, so here we finish the relational operator example. Now we see that the logical operator. So see here, logical operator, first we see that the and, so 5 greater than 2 and 3 is equal to 3. See here, both condition is the true, so that's why they return the true. So save these changes. See 1. Okay, if one of the condition is the false, then they return false. Same here, or means that if any one condition is true, then they return true. See here, return 1. If both the condition is false, then they return false. Okay, then XOR means that if both the conditions are the false, both the condition is the true, then they return false. See here, 5 is greater than 2, first condition is true and second condition is true, so they return the false. Okay, so here one condition is true and one condition is false, then XOR return the true. Then not, so not, they reverse the conditions. Here 5 less than 2, false, so false of not is that the true. See, this is a 1. So next one is that the increment-decrement operator. So here first value of a is that the 5, then here ++$a, so answer is that the 6. So they first increment the value and they assign to the a. and then here $a plus plus, answer is that the 5. So they first return the value 5 and then increment. Okay, same here, minus minus. Then see that the ternary operator. So see here, echo 5 is greater than 2, then here we use greater, other than, this is a smaller. So see here, 5 is greater than 2, condition is true. Okay, so they return greater. So save these changes, greater. Okay, so conditional operator is work when this condition is true, then it is going to first expression, otherwise they goes to second expression. So if the condition is the false, then see your answer smaller. So these are the some basic operators in a PHP. So students, test this code on your machine. On next video we will see that the switch statement, do while and the for loop. Okay, so till if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.